Being a new mom can be totally daunting. You are suddenly responsible for a tiny, helpless little being. But don't panic. You're not alone. We are here to help you ease into motherhood. The most important thing as a new mom is to be kind and patient with yourself. It's not an easy task bringing life into the world and caring for a little baby. Cut yourself some slack whenever you can, and pat yourself on the back. To help you on your way, we've put together the ultimate list of tips for new and expectant moms, straight from mamas who have been there. Here are 10 helpful tips for new moms. Number 1. Take care of yourself. Resist the urge to count caffeine as a major food group or a substitute for sleep. Instead, eat a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, and get some fresh air. Sleep when the baby sleeps, and try to work out a nighttime schedule with your partner that allows both of you to rest and care for the baby. Good habits will help you maintain the energy you need to care for your newborn. Number 2. Have a support network. Know who can give you the support you need in those first few weeks. This group may include family or friends. Ask loved ones in advance how much they can help. They may need to get vaccines, such as flu shots, to protect the baby. Mothers, sisters, and friends can stay, help, and be true lifesavers. Lactation consultant. They help new moms learn to breastfeed. For example, they can guide you on how to position the baby. Breastfeeding doesn't always come naturally. It's hard getting baby to latch those first few days and knowing how much milk they're getting. Postpartum doulas, they help families transition to a new baby. They may teach you soothing techniques for the baby, listen to your worries, and help out with chores. Number 3, don't be afraid to ignore advice. Everyone will give you advice, solicited or not, when you are about to have a baby or have a newborn. It's extremely valuable to listen to the experience and perspectives of others, as it can help you form your own opinions. But make sure that you know that what is right for some families may not be right for yours. Let your motherly instinct kick in and listen to it instead. Number 4, stock up on essentials. Have these items on hand so you won't have to run to the store in the middle of the night. It is suggested to prepare 3 caddies full of postpartum supplies, ice packs, pain relievers, and pads provide relief as you heal. Disposable underwear and pads are also handy. Feeding staples. These include stuff like a water bottle, phone charger, and snack for you. Also have some formula and sterilized bottles on hand, even if you're planning to nurse. Diaper station. Fill a separate container with diapers, wipes, and diaper rash cream. Number 5, get some sunlight and fresh air. The first few weeks with a newborn can feel extremely blissful, but also very constricting and overwhelming. Adjusting to a life where someone relies on you 24/7 can be overwhelming. The fresh air and sunlight work wonders for your mood and your baby's. And walking can help you build your postpartum strength back, but just don't overdo it. Self-care is not a luxury, it is an absolute necessity. Never feel guilty for taking care of yourself. You will be a better mom for it. Number 6, stay nourished. Now isn't the time to cut calories or go on a restrictive eating plan. This is so important for a healthy mama and baby. Make sure you're nourishing your body so you can be fueled to care for your little one. Concentrate on nutrient-packed foods that are rich in calcium, zinc, magnesium, and important vitamins. Number 7, sometimes babies cry for no reason. When babies cry, there's usually a good reason. They may be hungry, gassy, or in need of a dry diaper, and you'll start to know their different crying calls. But sometimes they can cry even when it seems like all their needs are met. Sometimes babies cry for no reason. What we do know is that crying is how infants communicate. They're suddenly a part of this brand new world, surrounded by unfamiliar sights and sounds. They might just be looking for comfort, or perhaps they're experimenting with their new communication options. Either way, it can be totally normal for babies to cry, so you might not need to worry if that's the case. Number 8. Day and night confusion. Most babies will have their days and night mixed up when they are first born, which means they want to party all night and sleep all day. After the first week or so, you can work to correct this by trying to keep them awake for longer periods of time during the day. But aim for awake times of only about 45 minutes at most. You don't want them to get overly tired. Try feeding and playing with your baby in a very brightly lit room during the day. Then make sure it's very dark when they sleep at night. It feels a little mean to keep them awake, but you definitely want them to get their days right. Number 9. Declutter often. Getting rid of things is tough for many, especially baby stuff, but so is the stress of having too much stuff that never gets used. Make it a goal to declutter once a month or once every couple months. And using the one in, one out rule will prevent things from getting to a point where you feel completely paralyzed by clutter. Number 10. Know you're doing amazing. Expect that there will be times when it feels hard to connect with your child or that you need to work through some issues. No matter what's going on, even through the tough days and the sleepless nights, just know that you are the best mama in the world to your baby. When things get tough, you'll know what to do. You were made for this, and you are doing incredible. We all know that motherhood doesn't come with a manual, but it does come with support, information, and advice from other women who know what you're going through, which comes pretty close. So for all the new mamas and mamas to be out there, know that you don't have to figure out everything on your own. It's okay to ask for help, and it's okay to be searching the internet for nuggets of wisdom. But here's the important point: you know your baby best, and while there are tips that might make things a little easier along the way, every baby and every situation is unique. And for this reason, don't fret about things not going exactly as you expected. Enjoy your motherhood. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.